Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I will show you my everyday makeup look. At first I have done my skincare routine. Now I apply a glued primer. I use Blue Heaven primer guys. It gives mattified look. I have a dark spots on my skin and under eyes. That's why I apply orange color corrector. बट मेरे पास अभी ख़त्म हो गया था गाइस, इस वजह से मैंने आई शैडो से ऑरेंज कलर का आई शैडो लेके अच्छे से लगा लिया. देन आई अप्लाई कंसीलर. द कंसीलर इज मच लाइटर देन द कलर ऑफ माई फेस बट इट्स वर्क वेरी वेल. After blending, it's match my face very well guys. Can you see the assiness? But it's work very well guys. Guys, I am using Swiss Beauty concealer. It has good coverage and matte finish look. I love it, totally love it. That's why I every day apply this concealer on my face. Guys, I am using setting spray to extra protect my base. This is called Inside Cosmetic 24 hours smudge proof setting spray. I totally love this product and I am using Sugar Pop matte finish setting powder and I apply on my face and under eyes. Now I am using blush to extra cuteness guys, but it looks so pretty and I am obsessed with the color. I have done my eyebrow off camera. Now I apply light brown eyeshadow on my eyelid and blend properly. Now I have done my two eyes. Now I apply mascara and I apply kajal the waterline and see the different guys how pretty look like. Now I am using lip liner to draw my lips and it's turned out so and yeah pretty. Guys, this is the final look. I totally love it. If you new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Till then, love you and bye bye.